Hi, my name is Amanda Crosby and I'm one of the instructors in Business Tech and Marketing. Business Tech and Marketing offers any student taking the program all aspects of business. We are fortunate at Whittier Tech here to have our fantastic school store. We have two sides to our school store. This side is known as our gift shop side. Students taking Business Tech and Marketing have the opportunity to merchandise, select product, design product, display product, price it, and then also sell it to the customers. So it's a great opportunity for students to learn the retailing. In addition to this, we also have our clothing option, and I'm going to show you that right now. This side is known as our clothing side. Wits End is what we call it. Our students are working with vendors on a constant basis so that we can bring in new merchandise, update it, and offer a variety of selection for the general public and the Whittier Tech community. They do everything from ordering the product, designing the logos, and then making the order with the vendor to bring it into the school store, adding it to the register system, and also then merchandising it. Our students have lots of opportunities in addition to work with different organizations, sports teams, and clubs and shops, so that they're able to design logos for those specific interests of the students. We also have opportunities at Haverhill Bank, which is located right next to our program. Students get the opportunity to learn hands-on banking experience and also turns into a possible co-op opportunity placement for them. We look forward to you being able to come in and shop at our school store. Thank you for joining us today.